this is B-Boy Sam.
Yeah, we're representing Immortal Style. We're here to destroy the floor, you know.
At the grand sports scene opening.
Burn it up. Big ups to sports scene.
2-on-2 battles.
Thanks to sports scene that we're gonna have a cool battle here today.
May the best man win.
See you at the sports scene.
Everybody reach, reach to the top. Everybody reach up, don't stop. Everybody reach to the top.
Yo, what's up, man? It's B-Boy Spinks.
Andre from Supreme Team, keep up the level, keep it real.
Yeah, and keep up the spirit of hip-hop, man.
I've just entered the sports scene competition. This is what I want. Thank you, sports scene. I love that.
It's nice to see that sports scene is supporting hip-hop.
People like sports scene that has, encouraged the b-boy scene.
Very, very cool.
So peace up to sports scene from Ubuntu sports scene. This is the b-boys rocking it. Keep it real, man.